All right, we should be live, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another live stream. Do this. A day, live stream, another dollar. Good. Uh, get some background. Playlist and go. We go for how.
By
All right, we should be good. Perfect. Stream running. And what's good, guys? What's good? Welcome back again to another live stream. song again. Oof. Okay. Okay. That's what air out. Actually, keep that there. Place this back here. Amadito, what's up, bro? How you doing? Welcome to another live stream, man. How do I put a link in this? Make a comment. Something. Anyway, yeah, I don't know how to work this shit out. Fine, thanks. Alright. FOMC, push price to the roof, man. Greetings, Trini Zone. Greetings, man. What's up? Welcome back to the stream, man. Yeah, so we're gonna be looking at a few pairs today, and we're gonna see what we can catch for Asia session. Should be able to you know, make some profits tonight. Shouldn't be that hard. I'm thinking of a quick scalp in and out so I can sleep in peace. Delete that alert. So GJ will be retracing tonight. Now I'd be looking to buy when it comes down to the 38.2 retracement, because that's when NZDSD sell, I think. Let's have a look at that. Let me end this stream here. Okay. Sorry. Okay. You are in, you said NZDSD. Alright, let's check it out. NZDUSD. And you're in a sell. Wait, so they raised interest rate for the US dollar, correct? And that's why, oh no, US dollar dropped today. US dollar dropped, it weakened. That means if the dollars weaken, this pair should continue to the upside. Thoughts? But we do have very clean market structure. We got this level here. Price rejected it multiple times, right? We do have this level that price is struggling to break right now. And that's it on a daily. I've already boxed the zone in, so how's the EMAs looking? Okay. That's a strong bullish candle for a sell. I'm just saying. Because if you look at it from this way, we have a 4-hour support here. Boom. Right. Price literally. Boom, bang. Now, what you can expect is maybe a little retracement for a continuation to this level here. Because look what we have here. We have very clean bullish market structure. Boom, boom, 38.2. That's a clean market structure. So then you move your fib to the new market structure point, and then you put a new Fibonacci on. Right? Bang. We have 61.8. And again, we have another 61.8. So now my projection target for NZDSD is the 0.63070 level, because that is our next take profit level. Sells, I wouldn't really be looking to sell, just because Price has been respecting um the check. We got a higher a low here. We have a higher low here. We have a higher low here. And price came back and retested that higher low there. You know what I'm saying? The price never broke structure to the downside. So I wouldn't be in sells, to be honest, until I see one of these are broken, something beneath here. But right now, price looks like it's spreading to the upside. And look at that. Price is now trading above the 200 SMA. I mean EMA, sorry. So therefore, and we have NZD USD RSI above the 50, which means there's more buyers in the market at this point in time than sellers. So just reanalyze. Unless if you want to send me your a screenshot or a link to your trading views charts, and I can have a look at it. So if you just drop me the link in the chat, I'll literally have a look at the. I'll have a look at your thing. I'll have a look at your analysis and see what you're seeing and why you're in a sell. You know. So if you want to do that, you can absolutely do so.
Please subscribe to the channel, Born Too Late to Explore the Earth, Born Too Early to Explore the Universe, Born Perfectly to Explore Dank Memes.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Yo, Hamad, do you want to come to the Discord? Come, talk to me here. Come, join the... Yeah, you are in there. Talk to me here. What's up, bro? Talk to me here.
I even called you once, but I think you couldn't hear me.
Oh, you were muted. Yeah, I can hear you now. Very well. Perfect.
Yeah, you took the setup for gold to go downward. So I just wanted to see how you made the setup.
You want to see how I made the decision? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay, gold. Where is it? Right here. So this is where I saw on gold. Let me just hide this and go back on the daily. Right, so the reason why I saw a low sell is because, watch this, price was very, very well rejecting the daily resistance here that I had, right? This blue line. This was a major daily resistance. Look, it rejected it once here, it rejected it twice here, and in here, it gave me this reversal candle pattern. and then obviously this indicate that maybe this is another rejection. Therefore, I entered a sell, thinking it's going to come back down to at minimum to this blue line to retest market structure, right? We have structure here. The price could very well. Oh, this is a wrong color. Yeah, this we have a very clean market structure here. Resistance broke, maybe another bounce to then take it to the upside. So that's why that's the reason behind my sell.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, yeah, it surely does. But I need some practice and some learning to do.
Yeah, no, listen, this shit is you can never obviously know exactly what the hell's happening or where it's going and or any of that stuff. You can only take your setup. You can only do what your strategy tells you to, and the rest is up to the market makers.
Hmm. No, actually, I've been changing my strategies from time to time.
So what is
So
your
now I'm thinking that I'm going to stick to your method now.
yeah? So what is your strategy like? Talk to me.
Well, actually, I've been using Fibonacci levels and stuff like that. It was price action basically, but different sort of. So I had been trying to, but all in vain.
Sorry, say that again. You were saying
I said I had been practicing different methods
different methods.
in price action. Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
but all in vain. Wasn't successful in any.
it wasn't no. So the, you see, the thing is with strategies is I may have the perfect strategy, right? That would make me literally millions, and then I would literally give it to you, everything from A to Z. But you won't like kind of make money using it. You know what I'm saying? So the reason why a lot of people say, "Oh, trading takes time." Yeah, but why does it take time? It's because you will have to go through millions of strategies to find your own that works in sync with your mind, the way your mind works, because trading is very subjective, right? We all have the same charts, but I look at it differently than how you look at it, correct? So you may look at something and see it, I may not see it. Some other person may see something, like other people's were like, oh, look at this descending wedge pattern. I never like I don't I know about them, but I don't look for them. Therefore, I'm not gonna see them in the market. It all depends on what you like, how your mind is. So when you like personally, I've gone through smart money, just support and resistance, breakouts, everything, and the one strategy that really stuck with me and kind of worked with my brain and was very simple to me and is no indicators on my charts and just a few lines on top, just like minimum two lines below to see where price could go from and to. But when I have a million things on my charts, I'm very confused. Like I don't want to confuse myself. I want to make trading as
Exactly. I've seen you making lines supported resistance 2 for daily and 2 for 4 hour
that's
daily
it.
chart,
Yeah,
right?
that's it.
Yeah.
Literally.
But what's confusing to me is that in the past there could be some other support and resistance which could hinder in the trade.
So
You know what I mean?
no, no, no. Explain that again.
For instance, you have drawn some lines, two support and two resistance, right?
Yes. Like look how perfectly.
Yeah,
Can you see my chart?
yeah. I'm looking at it right
Yeah.
now.
Can you see how perfectly this worked out? And I don't have a millions of lines. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But in the past, you can come across some other support or resistance which can hinder your trade. Isn't that so?
For sure, absolutely.
Yeah.
And what also took me to a whole new level was looking at market structure and higher highs and higher lows, right? So a lot of people mistake higher highs and higher lows. Some people would count this. Let's say this is a higher low, right? Hold on, let me get my pencil out. Here, my brush. Boom. This is a low, correct? We all agree that this is a low. Perfect. Perfect. Now, is this a higher low?
This is a high low.
This is a higher low. Perfect. Now, is this a higher low? It's an equal low, correct? Came back to same level, so consider it an equal low. An equal low would still be valid for a buy. Market structure is not broken yet. This hasn't passed exactly. So now some people would say that hold on, where is it? Oh, this is a higher high, and not like this could be a higher high, and then look at this wick as a higher low on a smaller time frame. But why would you consider this a higher low on a smaller time frame if you're looking at the 4 hour? If you're looking at the 4 hour, look for 4 hour market structure. How you do that is by using the Fibonacci, right? On the Fibonacci, let's say market makes a leg. Cool. Place a Fibonacci from A to B. Now wait for the retracement. The reason why I have this as a red color, the 23.6, pay attention. The 23.6 is not a market structure point. So if price comes back to 23.6 and stops, it's not a market structure point. Wait, market will come back lower. 38.2 is market structure point. 50 is market structure point. 61.8 is market structure, and 78.6. All these green and blue are market structure points. 23.6 is not. So how do you do that? You take your fib from A to B. Boom. Now, where did price retrace to? 50%. Therefore, what we have,
Below 50, yeah.
but where did it, like, okay, obviously it can go below, above, but it came to enclosed on the 50%, right?
Yeah,
Cool.
exactly. Yes.
Perfect. Now this is now our market structure point. When you identify that, you immediately move your fib low to the new market structure point, and then obviously you wait for the push, then you put it from A to B. So now we have a new A and a new B, and then you wait. Where did price retrace to? 88.6. Perfect. Another, no, don't look at the wick, look at the bodies. Look where the bodies, yeah, look where the body's closed. Oh, look at that. 88.6. Perfect. You wait for this. Cool. Market stop makes a bullish candle, this big candle. Boom. You enter a buy somewhere here. You wait for like retracement, whatever. Enter a buy. You take it to negative 27%. So that's how you identify market structure using the Fibonacci. Boom. Now we have a new market structure. So we move Fibonacci's 100% to here, and we follow price. We see where price is coming down here. Boom. Price, look at that, came back down to 38.2. We have new market structure point here. Perfect. You look for a bullish sign, like on a 1 hour bullish engulfing, whatever. Then you enter a buy and you take it to the upside, right? That's how you go about it. Hold on, why is this? Okay. Okay, so this is a market structure we said. So now we move price to the new market structure point, and then we look for the other high, which is right here. Boom. This time, right? Look what happened here on the 4 hour. This time, when we have the new market structure, and then we place here, pay attention to small details, because look here, we have a 50%. See that? Market pushed up, pushed down 50%, new market structure. Then we move it to the 50%, then new thing. Boom. Look what we have here. We have a break of structure. You see that now? Let me delete this. Let me delete this fib. Now we have price broke structure to the downside, broke past the 100%, because the last market structure we had was right here. And price, what did it do? came below. Exactly. Now, here's what we'll do. Oops, let me keep that out. Now, price broke structure. Cool. Now, what do? We change our bias. We look for, yeah, so now we look for what? For sells. Now we have new fib. Boom. See the new fib? A, actually, sorry, A, B, pay attention to small details. A, B, price retraces 61.8. Market structure. Cool. Move it to 61.8 and carry on. Yeah. Yeah, you see this time, this retracement did not, the candles didn't close at the 38.2. Therefore, I wouldn't consider this a market structure point. And look what happened. Price continued all the way down. So we carry on our fib. Boom. We have a leg. We have a retracement. Now here, a lot of people will be lost here. Is this a break of structure? Is this not a break of structure? Well, look at the 100%. Is the candle closed above or below? It's below. Therefore, market structure hasn't been broken yet on the 4-hour time frame. Now, obviously, you can look at different time frames and find different Fibonacci's and stuff, but we purely focused on the 4-hour now, right? And I'll explain now, and I'll explain my why I have this yellow line here in a second. So, market structure is not broken yet. Price retraced all the way to 100%, which is fine, right? Which is fine. But it never closed above, so it just wicked above to take everyone out. Every sellers now was stopped out. So we may see major sells within pound yen, and we may not see major sells. That all depends, obviously. We just have to react and adapt. Now we have a new fib, boom, we have retracement. Now this is our first, our projection for the 4-hour. This level here would be our target if we were to take a sell and price actually comes back and to this level here. So now you're like, okay, so we identified that. What do we do next? Let me delete the fib. We know where we are because we don't need to have it on. It makes my charts messy. Yeah, see how market structure here still close below. Boom. I have a 1-hour Fibonacci here. But this time I have a 1-hour Fibonacci. This is my 1-hour. This is my, there's no way this is my daily. Hold on. This is my daily. Yeah. Okay, let me hide it from the hours. So I have a fib for every time frame. So you see how I hid it from the 1-hour. I only, if I put a daily wick, a daily Fibonacci, I keep it on the daily. I hide it from all the other time frames, and then I put a Fibonacci on the 4-hour, hide it on the 1-hour, and so on. And here's why. I'll explain why I have this yellow line here. Is because this yellow line is the daily higher low market structure point, and because I've obviously followed price all the way till here. And then here's our last higher low. Price made a leg. Price retraced to the 61.8 on the daily time frame. Right? And then price is now shooting up to hopefully maybe come to the negative 27%. Right? Now that's all good. Now we know on the daily, okay, this is our daily market structure point. So you may see short-term sells for the 4-hour Fibonacci, remember? But there is a daily Fibonacci. So long-term, GJ is bullish, but short-term, GJ may still be bearish. So there's the yellow line, which means on the daily, price is bullish until it breaks the yellow line, because that is my daily higher, exactly, that is my daily higher low point. Because market structure is very simple. simple bullish market structure, simple bearish market structure, and basically this is my yellow box. The price could very well on the 4-hour now come back, retest previous maybe market structure to then give us the to continue the daily market structure. So 4-hour bearish, daily bullish. You see what I'm saying? You see how I'm connecting everything together? Did that make sense?
Yes, yes, I'm having it. Yes.
Yeah, because trust me, if you don't follow up, you get lost with a lot of daily 4-hour. It's very, very simple, but you just gotta really pay attention and know, okay, that's why I have this zone. Okay, cool, this is my daily. Now I drop on the 4-hour, I can make new color for 4-hour time frame. I can make new colors. Yeah, so you can, what you want to do is also make a red box. So you can say, okay, this box would be my 4-hour. Boom. Now you know this is a 4-hour market structure, and that is a daily market structure point. So you're not lost, and you know what is what and for what.
Okay.
And that was crazy. So this is how I identify market structure using Fibonacci, and trust me, it never fails me. I'm telling you right now, it never fails me, bro.
Yeah. Actually, I've been watching your programs where you were teaching students these things, support and resistance. You never used Fibonacci level, did you?
What, back in the day?
Yeah, a few of your programs I've watched on YouTube, right?
Oh yeah. No,
Yeah.
I've I've been posting on YouTube for a long time. Well, when I say a long time, like maybe a year, but obviously back a year back from now, I didn't really have as much knowledge as I have now. Because I'm literally like studying the markets every day, all day, forever. Like I'm always studying. I'm never like, okay, I know the market. You can never know the market. You can always study and be better. Exactly. So I'm always studying. I'm always perfecting my craft to be as best as I possibly can be. Um, so we have a daily now. So what we can do, even something like this, right? You can have fib from the daily. Boom. What do we have here? 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So we can grab this. Boom. Make that red for 4-hour. Say this is our 4-hour time frame higher low point. Then you can take from here to here, price 23.6. That's not a market structure point, so we leave it. We carry on with our fib. Boom. And look what we have here. Now, something is aligning very, very well. We have a 38.2. We have market structure 4-hour. Because remember how I drew market structure comes back to retest. When it does this, comes back to retest previous to then continue. Why is this not going? There we go. Yeah. Bang, bang. Cool. Now we move it here. Now we have new from here to here. And now we wait for the retracement to previous market structure because we have it right here. Bang. Oops. Right here. Boom. Below. Bang, bang. And boom. So now we wait for retracement, either 50% or 20 or 38.2 to give us a market structure higher low, basically. Then hopefully take it to this level. But remind you, this level matches with what? With our daily. See? They're getting very close together. So I've built something here. I know how to get to that daily level from a 4-hour level. And that's how you get 200 pip trades, not 10 and 5 pip trades on a 2 minute time frame. um, so yeah, we catching legs. I don't like to go on a 1 minute and be like, yeah, let's catch 2 pips and call it a day. But how is that gonna grow your account? It's not. But when you have a massive account, when you have a big money, then you can scalp the market because you can risk a lot more. You can not just necessarily risk a lot more. What I mean by that is you can use higher lot size, obviously according to your account. You can use higher lot size, make more money taking less pips. But for someone who doesn't have a massive account, how are you going to grow that account? You have to catch bigger moves. You have to catch 100 pips, 200 pips to for the profits to be worth it. Correct? Exactly, man. Exactly. So,
I have seen people doing that. Actually, one of the guy that I know, his routine is that he withdraws $16,000 per day
per day.
every week. Yeah.
Insane. Who's this guy?
When his Telegram name is Pips Accurate.
Tips accurate.
Yeah.
Never heard of him. Yeah, no, if he's doing it, then fair play to him. Good. He's doing it. That's good. Fair play. But I hope it's real.
No, he has been sending his the screenshot for his withdrawals and everything. He also shows that, so it seems that it's real.
Oh, nice. Nice. So he's not just buffing everyone. Yeah. Sending withdrawals too, hey? Good. Are you trading anything today?
Yeah, I have got your signal for gold.
Hmm.
I've placed order for that.
Yeah, let me check gold now. Actually, it's playing games, isn't it?
Yeah,
Gold is playing games right now. Doesn't wanna give us pips. Okay, this is a 4 hour. Day by the 4 hour. Daily and boom. Go on the 1 hour. Good. Identify. Down. Okay. Your BTC moved nicely today.
yeah.
BTC.
BTC moved upwards. Gold moved upwards.
Yeah.
Ethereum went up. Yeah.
Like you can literally do the same thing um on BTC as well. From here to here, we have 1.8. Bang. Next target, 25,700. And then 4 hour time frame. Bang bang. That's a fib. Bang bang. That's a fib. Nowadays, I don't even use the fib. I know it. Like I just look at the charts and I know the fib. I can just imagine it and see it. And here, price is literally retracing 100%. But will it break? If it breaks 100% and closes above, then the market structure higher low here is not valid, and then we can look into buying. But for now, short term, we are still bearish, you know, because this is the higher, the lower high, the last lower high is right there. Until price breaks this, BTC is still down. That usually gives you better risk to reward the deeper price retraces, the deeper the profits, the longer the profits are. I don't know if you remember this from everyday stream. I had this line for a long time, and now finally, after many consolidation, price actually moved. GJ.
Actually, I didn't watch that program of yours. I was I went somewhere.
Oh, that's fine. We have pound yen, I mean pound dollar, sorry. Price literally moved. This is now irrelevant. We don't need it. This is relevant. We don't need it. See the daily. Check. We can do this on the on BT on USD. See how it literally almost so perfect into the negative 27%. So perfect, almost like literally tap and fly. But we have this, we have 61.8, so we move it down. And from this 61.8, we have this, which is hold on. 8.2, and price dropped all the way to here, never made it. Now down here. That is the last fib for this 4 hour. Oh, this could be a very nice trade. Watch. You see this here, right here, watch. I'm gonna highlight this area for you. From this wick to this wick. This is a fair value gap in the market. Too bright. Zone. That's fine. See how from this wick, let me just move this. From this wick to this wick, there is a candle, black candle, but there's no wicks between, right? That's a fair value gap in the market. That's what they call it. The price always tends to come back to fill these fair value gaps, and then usually reverses hard. So if yes, the dollar has weakened. That's why we had this very nice push to the upside, right? But remember, price is still bearish, and the dollar is still strong, and it may continue to fly, you know. So I feel like this could be a very nice area to short from. Obviously, after we see confirmations and after we see a whole bunch of stuff on smaller time frame as well. But don't you stress. You in the Discord, I'll send it to you. I'll break it down for you, and you'll be notified. And if we can catch this move, like literally, we can catch this move, 600 pip move, obviously long term, that'd be absolutely insane. But this is a daily, so let's keep this a daily Fibonacci. Let's keep this a daily Fibonacci, and on the daily, this is hold on, let me see if we have a nah, nope. Touched it but never settled on it, so therefore Cool. And look, oh my god, look how perfectly this, the negative 61.8, aligns so perfectly with my weekly support. And that's where maybe price could possibly start going to the upside for good. But yeah, short, long term, all lines up perfectly. Yeah, look at this imbalance in the market. It is probably going to come back and fill that. Let's see how that it goes. Break here, so we can make a new fib from here to here. Price came back. Never settled on it. Settled. It up. There we go. Settled. Cool. We have our higher low point right here. From that higher low point, we add a push. Yeah. Have the 50%, so we move it right here. Another higher low point. Get up to here. Another higher low point. And then we can push this to up here now. Higher low point 61.8. New higher low point. Fibonacci goes from wick to wick, by the way. We have, what do we have here? 38.2. Perfect settled on it. You see how it's perfectly stopped at the 38.2. And then from there, bang, shoot up. So now we have a new fib from here to here. And now we follow price and see where it stops. And from there, we can wait for a retracement. And that 38.2 and the 50 aligns with a daily support that I have. The price could very well come back to the support, reject off, and make a new higher low point to make to complete this Fibonacci. And once this Fibonacci is complete, price can actually start moving on the daily to start moving down for that daily Fibonacci that we had on, which is this one. You see how my 4 hour time frame is now gonna is my retracement for the daily. So on the daily, exactly. So on the daily, we're retracing. On the 4 hour, my Fibonacci will complete that. Oops, will complete that retracement to then sell once it completes this 4 hour Fibonacci to then continue the sell for the daily Fibonacci. So it just goes from time frame to time frame, and then you can do this from time frame to time frame until you find the sweet spot. And this is why I have split screen. If you don't have trading view pro, I recommend you do get it because it really does help. So I always have 15-minute time frame, and then I can easily switch between 15, 30, and 5. But on the left side, I have 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, just to make things very easy and simple. So when I'm trading, I'm monitoring trade on the right side here on the 5, 15 minutes, and I'm also watching, um, you know, that 1 hourly time frame as well. I've ordered a brand new monitor, so tomorrow it'll be here, and then I'll have multiple screens going at the same time. So that should be good. It should come tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. um, yeah, man, because I ordered a gaming monitor first from Amazon. It arrived, but it never worked well. It's yeah, it worked
Why
for
you return it then?
yeah. I returned that one. It worked for a bit, and then it started going on and off by itself. So there was like an error, an electric error within the brain. Just keeps shutting off by itself. So I returned it and ordered a brand new one from Samsung actually. Um, yeah, and it's curved, this one. So I got a bigger one. I got a curved one and better. So hopefully, and more expensive as well. Fucking hell. Um, hopefully we can. But it's fine.
A single screen,
Sorry.
a single screen, a single monitor.
A what? A single monitor?
Yeah.
What do you mean a single
Have
monitor?
you ordered? I mean, have you ordered quite a few screens or just a single screen?
Oh, so I have a screen right now, but I ordered another one.
Okay. Still have two then.
Yes, I'll have to. And then I have my laptop here. I have my iPad here. So I've got like I'll have five screens on my desk. I need a bigger desk. um, yeah, man. Just it's all about you gotta invest in your business basically. So this
Okay. Can you give me any suggestion that how much my account should be? Minimum account.
you
At
mean
least how much should I? Yeah. I want to invest in it.
okay? So if you're not profitable yet completely, I wouldn't recommend putting a lot of money of your own in it. Just because why would you do that? Why would you risk your own money when you can just go and get a funded account? Just if you want to spend small amount and get big money, just go buy an FTMO challenge and do that because you can spend 800, 400, and get a $400,000 and $200,000 account. So like why would you put your own money at risk? It's literally no brainer. Honestly, you should never put your own money that's how I started. I'd never put my own money into trading. I literally just bought what do you call it? Bought FTMO challenges, and then I built that, made profits. Then I used that profit and put it into my own account, and then just literally trading profits basically. um,
What is FTMO?
you don't know? Oh, it's a prop firm. It's basically I'll send you the link to the FTMO. It's basically a prop firm company where you pay a small fees and they give you a demo account, but you have to pass a challenge. So what you do is you'll first have the a challenge, which is make 10% on the account. So if you buy 100,000, you have to make 10,000, and then
Okay.
there's rules, so you can't break five. What is the rules? It's 10% max loss. You can't go over that. You'll fail the challenge, and a 5% daily max. So in one day, if you lose more than 5% of your account, they fail you the challenge and you lose your money, which is the small fees that you paid around $500 for a $100,000 account. Um, and then yeah, when you pass and you make the 10%, then they refresh your account. It's a demo account, but they'll pay you. It's a very well known company. Then you have to now you are now doing the verification challenge, which you have to make another 5%, and the rules are the same, but you just have to make another 5%. So you make another $5,000 on that 100K account, and you pass. Then they give you the fresh account, $100,000 demo, but whatever money you make, you will keep 80% of that profit and they will take the rest. So it's honestly, trading has never been easier and with less risk than before. I mean, you don't never have to put your own money at risk. It's just so nice. And then when you pass, they literally refund you the money you paid to get in. So it's really good. So just search it on Google, FTMO, and
Yeah, but I also have to learn first, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
I'll copy your trades. I'll copy to your trades.
Because you've been good with with my signals that I've been sending here. We've been killing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been slaughtering. So yeah, man. No, if it's, I think that's what you should do. That's my personal opinion. Just yeah, just buy an FTMO challenge and then trade that. Should be good. But with FTMOs, it's all about risk management. You can never think that I'm gonna risk a lot and pass it quickly. No, no, no. Just literally, my first challenge, I literally only risked 0.5% each trade. Because they you have a minimum trading day limit. So why would you pass it in the first day and then just do nothing for 10 days. Just take it easy, 0.5% a day. You make two, because my setups are 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. When you risk 0.5%, and if you make 4, that's you making 2%, but you only risked half, so it's a no-brainer. Yeah, really no-brainer. So I would recommend FTMO for sure. I don't know about the other prop firms. A lot of people say some are good, some are bad. Personally, I only used FTMO, so the only one I can talk to you about. But yeah, so we have that. We have, let's see if we can set an alert here. Why not? So if price comes back and hopefully catch a trade to the upside and then catch a trade to the downside. We'll see. So we did BTC. We did pound yen. We also did pound dollar. And now we're gonna do, let's do gold.
Okay. Can I ask you a question before doing that?
Yes.
Well, in scalping, in 5 minutes chart,
Mm-hmm.
one is scalping.
Yep.
What time frame should we look at for the trend?
All of them. Personally, I do all of them. Here's a 5-minute chart, right?
Yeah.
This is a 5-minute chart. Can you tell me what the trend is? You can't. It is moving sideways. Look at this shit. Stupid. So you can actually do 1 hour, right? But even the 1 hour, look at this. What the hell is this? So you go 4 hour. Okay, look at that. We have market structure. See? So how you do this is look at all time frame. If you look at one time frame and it's confusing and you don't know what the market is, then look at a bigger time frame. That's how I would do it. So if it's confusing on the 5-minute, look at 15. If it's confusing on the 15, look at the 30. If it's confusing on the 30 still, look at the 1 hour. Confusing on the 1 hour, look at the 4 hour until you know exactly what's happening. That's why we have all these time frames, is to tell us what's happening.
Is there any moving average that we should look at?
Yeah, I have no, well, yeah, you can, but I have 3 AMAs. So I have
20, 30, and 200, right?
the 21, 50, no, 20, 50, and 200.
And 200, 20, 50, and 200.
Yeah, 20, 50, 200. It just gives me an idea of where the market like could be heading, because look here, I'll zoom out on the 4 hour time frame and look, every time we're below the 200 and all the other moving averages, look at that, we sell hard. We retest, we sell hard. But when we're above, we buy hard. So it's only for direction mainly. I don't use it to actually trade. I use it for direction. Oh shit, okay, we are above the 200, we are above the 50, we're above the 20. Let's look at buying. Shit, we are below. Let's look at selling. But what do we have here? We have a break, but the 200 is right here. So how do you know what happens when something like this happens? You look at previous data. You look here. Price broke, it went to the 200, and then continued. Price, where is it? Yeah, price broke, it went to 200. Price broke, it went to 200. So now price broke, where's it going to go to? 200. Where does the 200 align with? Aligns with our negative 27% and our insufficiency, which is a fair value gap in the market. So there's a few confluences on why the market should be going up to that point. Few that gives us extra confluence, extra be more kind of aware of what's happening. All this good stuff. So depending on how this 1 hour candle closes, that's when I'll decide if I want to close or hold. Price has made its push. A retracement. Okay. Keep that there.
RSI is above 70
Sorry.
on hourly. On 1 hour chart, the
Yeah.
RSI is above 70.
Is that oversold or overbought, or how does that work?
Yeah, oversold, overbought.
Yeah. So it should come down basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see. We have here no this. Look how insane this is. Price came back to 100%. See how? Came to 100%. But the candles never closed below. Ever. See? On the 100% perfectly. And then boom. Shut up.
Is there an echo? Should I turn my mic off?
There's no. Can you hear an echo? I can't hear anything.
I can't. Your voice is clear.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, yours too. Keep
Have
that
you
on.
heard about cotton candy?
Cotton candy.
Yeah.
No, what's that?
Cotton candy is a person who is doing Forex, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he has developed his own method.
Which is?
And his method is very technical and very accurate, but understanding it is very difficult.
Is that his name? Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, yeah.
What a name.
I'll send you his link, and when you have time, just have a look at it, just for the heck of it.
Is
It's
he
totally
on
free.
is he on YouTube or something?
Yeah, he's on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
He has given a full course for different methods that he uses.
I see the channel now. New era of day traders.
Yeah.
Cotton candy. I've ha-
And last week, he has made some teams, and he's funding them as well. He's funding every team $500 per week, and he's making a competition amongst them, right?
uh-huh.
And he himself took his trade. He also joined that competition, right?
Yeah.
As a teacher. And from 500 to 8,700, he took from in 1 week he took it from 500 to 8,700 in the competition.
Using his technical method, yeah?
His methods, and basically he's using these support and resistance levels.
Okay. So it's not
So
something out
it's
of this
very
world.
technical. You would get it quite quickly, but for me it was very difficult. I can't understand it.
Is my strategy difficult for you?
No, yours is very easy.
It's simple,
You just
right?
have, yeah, it's very simple. You just have to identify the support and resistance, and then you have to place your order according to your support and resistance.
Well,
It's very easy.
and a few other things alongside, like you see you see this here, it says YouTube above here. Can you see that? So let me show. So on top here, it says YouTube. My right here says YouTube, and in here it says main. Right.
Yeah, exactly.
So let me show you something. So this chart I only show to YouTube, right?
Okay.
This I have other stuff on this chart that I do that I only teach the people who are in the Discord. So I will be show you off the stream, but because of YouTube, I, this is why I have the YouTube layout on. But when we off the stream, I will show you what I have on this side. That's why remember I talked about watching smaller time frame and the higher time frame at the same time with split screen. Um,
Yeah.
so yeah, that is what the reason why I need this is because I have other stuff here to tell me what to do when prices at this area and if it's ready, if it's not, are we taking, are we selling, are we buying, a whole lot of other stuff. So this is only for off off. Hide it quickly. There was a little glimpse. You saw that glimpse there, or a little glimpse, glimpse.
Quite It seems fine.
Interesting,
Let me
right?
focus on it.
Yeah. So I have other stuff going on there, but this is my main. This is where I actually trade, and this is what I look at for actual trading. But today, because we are on a live stream, we're gonna be looking at this one. Yeah. But obviously, the setup I send you on the Discord, if you go back and look, it's actually from my main one. It's not from my YouTube. I only use this one for the YouTubes to break trades down for viewers and stuff like that. So I'll teach you all about the other stuff. Um, you know, during the day because it's literally like 1 a.m. my time now. Oh, this Fibonacci laid out so perfectly, man. Look at this. Remember somebody on stream yesterday said they want to sell here. I said no, wait for price to come up there and look at that. Price is literally trading to the upside. Could have been in drawdown right now. Okay, so 1 hour have just started. We have a new 1 hour candle. Let's go to pound yen because that's what I want to focus on for tonight. Okay.
Okay, so the candle has closed for gold. Okay, after the
Yes,
candle.
I'm gonna check gold as well. I'm looking at my other screens right now, so the stream will not be able to see it, but yeah. Okay, so we have GJ dropped all the way to down here, but it's not ready yet to buy, so I'm not gonna buy it. Let's look at gold. Okay. Okay, so to the 4 hour candle, there's 1 hour still. Means yeah, okay, cool. So if the 4 hour closes below this daily, we will drop. Closes above the last 1 hour candle. We are still at 100%. Booking.
my broker's account, the 4 hour candles has also closed.
What?
Now it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, at your one and R5, the 4 hour candle closes in XMAX.
That is just so confusing to me. Yeah,
I
my
can send I can send you the screenshot as well for the 4 hour candles. A new candle has started developing now.
Pinzone, yes. To answer your question, Discord is one-time payment to for lifetime access. The link is in the description, guys. If you are interested, the link is in the description down below. You heard the man saying how incredible the signals have been and everything else, so I don't have to talk for myself. But yeah, so that's actually very weird, man. That the fact that your 4 hour has already closed, that is very very weird to me. um, Sheesh. Yeah, even on TradingView, I if you open your TradingView to Awanda Gold and look at the 4 hour, it's still.
It's still going on. That's what I am telling you.
So how come you? But how come can you take trades if it's not the same on your broker than it is on the? So weird.
That's that's so confusing. Yes.
It is, yeah. What the hell? But is price the same on your
Price is the same all the time. Yeah.
yeah, so as long as price is the same, that means if you're out
Your
somewhere,
charts won't be accurate. Yeah.
I was gonna say, yeah, if you're out somewhere and you need to look at your charts and you look at your phone, MetaTrader, it's gonna be weird. So download the app for TradingView on your phone, because then you can look.
Actually, I even noticed some changes in trading view. Right, there is one Wanda, one is FX, or the other is some other one, and they all are giving their charts, right?
Hmm.
And I've seen that in one there is a bullish candle, and the other there is a bearish candle.
Oh wow,
Have you
so
ever noticed that?
it's
Have you ever
different.
noticed that?
Sure. So it's big difference, noticeable.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For instance, in Wanda,
I like.
there is a 4 hours bullish candle, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in the other one, for instance, in gold, I can show you right now. I'll send you the screenshot and I'll tell you.
Send it, send it.
Then you can see it for yourself.
You know, Owanda is it works best for with my strategy because Owanda tends to fill gaps with price action. So when price action is filled with when gaps are filled with price action, then you can accurately place your lines, zones, support and resistance, and all that stuff. That's why I like Owanda, because with my strategy and how I like to see price, I like to see price. I don't like to see gaps in price. Like I like to see it align perfect. Just less confusing, but yeah.
Yeah, I have one candle in mind for gold. I'll see if I can send it to you now.
God. Patience, patience. This game about patience. Very different. Oh, yeah, to here. Got a 38. Okay. Everything on track. Everything is on the track. Guys, there's 10 of you. Please make sure you like the live stream so that YouTube can post it and push it to more people, and so we can help more people out there. Please, thank you. Get it. Get it. Let's run it up. Run it up. And subscribe if you haven't already, of course. But let's try and find a good setup here for YouTube. Find you guys something. Find you guys a very good setup. Let's find you guys a scalp. People like scalping. They like to be in and out immediately, like quickly. They don't like to wait like me. Hours and hours and hours. And then at the end, may and may not work out. Let's get a quick scalp here. Green, here we go. On the 4 hour. There's a nice scalp for y'all. There's a nice scalp for everybody. Short, stops above, CP right here. There's a quick little scalp for y'all. A 5-minute setup. So it should be stay out. Are you watching this, bro? Yep. Yeah, there's a quick little sell. Should be in profit right now, guys. Should be in profit. I would move stops after the break of this low here. I'd move stops to break even after this low here. There, boom. Make that darker so it's more visible. There we go. Break even straight after this low. Yeah. You can even leave a runner, because I do believe that BTC is gonna drop to hell. Before really rallies to 100,000. But yeah, you should see blues on your screens. Drop a 1 in the chats if you took it and you're in profit. Let me know in the chat, guys. You took it, let me know in the chat.
I took it a bit late.
You should be good. You should be alright. So mini break of structure here. A one tiny minute break of structure. There's a little retracement you could have entered. ETC moves a lot at night, eh? 12 o'clock, 1 a.m. It really does move a lot. So y'all should be in profits right now. You took it. Yeah, stops above this wick here. And then we'll move him at break even after this low is broken. If it does break it, but yeah. If it breaks this zone here, if it breaks this zone, then close the positions at break even, better than waiting for her to hit stop loss. But right now, we're in profit, so it should be alright. As long as price is trading below the zone here. Continue, and yeah.
subscribed to the channel.
Hey, thanks for the sub, man. Appreciate that. But why the hell is my screen gone black? Hold on. Are you shitting me? Bro. There we go. Sorry about that. My OBS be tripping sometimes. Are you still in the cell, bro?
Yes, I am.
Did you get in at the retracement? Are you in profit right now?
No, I took the trade at just at the present.
Like where price is at right now?
Yeah, the price is right at now. Yes.
Oh, yeah. So that which means your stop loss is here because yeah, if price breaks the market structure, but you should be in profit. Look, it's dropping. Um, if yeah, if price break this market structure, then it's gonna probably make new market structure. That is the let's go. Come on, TP1, give us something.
TP1 is 22,600, right?
Sorry, what?
22,600.
What is that?
TP1.
What are you talking about?
BTC.
Yeah, what about it?
TP1 is 22,600, right?
TP1 would probably be 22,800. Yeah, 22,800 is TP1, and then obviously breaks at break even, stops. Yeah, stops at break even. That's what I wanted to say. Should hit it very, very soon. I'm gonna put an alert here and an alert up here. So at this point, you could literally you won't lose money because if it goes against us now, we'll close at break even, won't lose money. If it goes in our way, we'll make money. So yeah, it's just literally the first few seconds decides whether the trade is going to be a winner or a loser. You enter and you're instantly in drawdown. It's not gonna you can't really do much. But when you enter and it goes in your profits immediately, then you know where like okay, here's my stops. I can close a break even if I can cut my losses, basically short and stuff like that. so choppy. Fuck's sake. Bro, it's literally teasing us right now. It's so close. 50. This is the slowest 1 minute trade ever. He freaking slow trade. Slowest 1 minute trade ever. Any of you on YouTube took this trade? If you did, drop a one in the chat. Let me know. There we go. Mud bro.
Yes.
Should be in profit. Your take profit one should have been hit. Yeah. I would recommend just take some partials. Wait a bit. It's retracing. But yeah, take some partial profits out and move stops to break even. I can't trade BTC, but I did GBP USD instead. Okay, nice. How is USD trading right now? But this is such a London slash New York session, and it's doing this. That's insane. During Asia, that's crazy. But that's good, man. Well done. But I only trade sessions that actually, I only trade pairs that moves within a specific session. So every session has its own pairs. But guys, YouTube family, I told you guys I'll find you a quick little setup, quick little scalp, and we did it. We did it live. You can't fake this, man. I'm telling you, we do this, man. Yeah, take profit one got hit, stops to break even. So this trade should be a risk-free trade, and close half, leave a runner to final TP 22,584 level. And another day, another successful trade, another successful stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. call it a stream now soon because I am dead and I have a 7 a.m. alarm off. So yeah, imagine getting 5 hours, 4 hours every night of sleep. Literally getting 5 to 4 hours every. But it doesn't matter. We're here making profits, living. Oh my god, BTC always moving beautifully. I like to trade it at night. It does give us things sometimes. Yeah. The fact that this wick broke the previous wick gives me more confident that it may actually continue to the downside. So in tomorrow's live stream, we'll come back to this trade and see what happened to it. But it should be risk free. You should have been, 50% took off profit, whatever. And we'll come to this tomorrow and check on it, see what. Pound yen, nothing has lined yet because I was waiting for a retracement on the 1 hour time frame to this level here, and price is now in the middle of nowhere, kinda. Therefore, I do not chase the market. Let the market come to me. Yeah. So daily bullish. Yeah. PJ, nothing is not giving me, but BTC, beautiful closure. Are you still? Oh man, very nice 5 minute bearish candle gives me more confidence in the sells. This is a sniper entry. Actually, zero drawdown, straight to take profit 1, and now heading to take profit 2. You Gucci. Yo, Hamad, did you see how very simple and easy that was, right? When I when I hear people struggling and getting confused and this and that and that, I literally looked at my chat. I was like, let me find YouTube a quick scalp, and boom, just by following a simple yet but very powerful strategy and sticking to my rules, sticking to everything, and and when you spend enough time looking at the charts, and if you've studied as much as I have, you you'll just have a different eye on the market. You'll find setups. Um, yeah, I could sit here and find 1 minute setups all day, every day, but it's stressful, man. It's stressful. That's why I choose to go with the longer term, so I can place a trade, go on with my day, um, go on with my day, enjoy my time with my daughter, go out, and then come back to the charts when take profit is hit after hours, the next day or whatever. But anyway, um, guys, the link to the stuff is down below. So everything you need is down below in the description. You find it there. There's a free Telegram, guys. So come join the free Telegram. I usually send random trade ideas on there. There's a whole bunch of other people in there. Come talk, send your charts, connect with other traders. Because trading can be lonely and boring when you do it alone. Because who you gonna talk to about this shit? Your family? What are you gonna go tell your mom, huh? You in drawdown 50 pips? She's gonna be like, what the fuck are you talking about, son? Like, mom, I'm upset. I'm in drawdown. Yeah, stop loss is hit. She'll be like, what are you on about? Get out of here. Take the trash out, son. um, yeah, man.
Yeah,
No.
have a look at gold. Is it retracing or is it falling down?
Let's see. Gold. So, okay, so gold for the overall daily, it is gonna be retracing, right? So long term, it's a retracement. 4 hour, it's a retracement because we made a low here, we made a higher low here, right? We are trading at a daily resistance. So that resistance is kind of being respected a bit here. Therefore, it may reject. Let's go to 15 here, see what happens. Yeah, so very nice bearish engulfing here. Price could easily come back to these this market structure point here, and that's when I would take some profits out, you know. And if price breaks this low, if price break below here, I will move stops to break even. All right. Yeah, so that's where I take my profits, because overall on the daily, gold is heading to the upside, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. However, what I do is, to if it drops, I will be in the sell. However, if it goes up, I don't want to lose. So what I'll do is, I will move stops to break even when take profit gets hit and price breaks this low. I'll move it in, and then when it comes here, I will take 90% of my profits, because that is my final TP, but I'll take 90% and leave 10% to see whatever happens to it. If it drops and continue, cool, I'm still making money. And then if it completely retraces and goes, then we are going to complete this 4-hour Fibonacci move. So just watch it. I have alerts. I have an alert up here. I have an alert down here. Once price breaks this low, I will put stops to break even and then start taking profits along the way. But if I were to buy for this move, I would like price to retrace down to either that, because it touched already that 38.2 and made a 4-hour higher high low, probably to this blue daily resistance. That's going to be used as support now, because we broke it. It was being used as resistance. We broke it. We're going to come back, use it as support, and hopefully fill this fair value gap in the market. So there's a few reasons on why the market could possibly come back to the downside before and continuing this trade. If price comes back and gives me a clean setup, I'll look into another buy on gold. But for now, stick to it, and it's always 1% anyway. So I'm never like too worried about a trade, you know. It's always very low risk, minimum risk, in fact. Whatever, no emotions attached whatsoever.
Okay, brother, go and have some rest now.
Lovely stuff, eh? What did you say?
I said, go and have some rest now.
Oh yeah, yeah, man. No, I've been working hard, you know, been grinding, man. But are you satisfied, man? Are you happy with everything we've gone through?
Exactly.
Awesome, man. Awesome. That's good to hear. Um, that's good to hear. Guys, if you guys on YouTube here want to join us on these calls, we will be doing New York live streams, and then we'll do calls. So on here on my Discord, you'll have trade ideas, you'll have announcements, you'll have trade updates, tweets, and then you'll have live trading channel right here. Oh, you guys can't see it. Hold on, let me show you guys something. Sorry, I thought let me show my screen. Uh, Perfect. There we go. Okay. Right here, guys. Here's the Discord. When you join, you'll be able to obviously get access to all these benefits, and then also the live trading session. That's where I go live. When I'm live on YouTube, you can come in here, talk to me, show analysis like this man does here. And so yeah, if you are interested, the link is down below. All the details you're looking for will be down below in the description. But yeah, bro, thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining me on this live stream. I might do a New York live stream again tomorrow for gold and stuff. And then we'll do another for Asia. All right, bro.
Okay, brother.
Take it easy, my man. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Perfect. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you all. Please make sure to like the live stream. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps me out, helps with the algorithm on YouTube. And yeah, Join the free Telegram, talk to me, join the Discord, join this amazing community we have here with other traders, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.